Struggling with uneven or ragged lawn edges? You're not alone, and fixing this can totally change how your yard looks. So, first off, if your lawn edges are all over the place, grab a good edging tool. Something like a half-moon edger or a string trimmer with an edging attachment works wonders. When you edge, make sure the soil along the border is firm but not rock hard, so the tool cuts cleanly without tearing up roots. Try to edge after mowing when the grass is a bit damp. It helps get a sharper line. If you want something low maintenance, think about installing permanent edging like plastic, metal, or stone borders. They keep everything neat and stop grass from creeping into flower beds. Don't forget to remove any clippings right after to keep things looking tidy. Another tip is to edge regularly, maybe every 2 weeks during growing season, to avoid that wild, ragged look from building up. And always check for hidden obstacles like sprinkler heads or rocks before starting so you don't wreck your tools. Last thing, if you're new to edging, go slow and steady. It's way easier to fix a small mistake than a big one. One of the biggest problems with lawn edging is cutting too deep or too shallow, which messes up the look and can hurt your grass roots. Fix this by aiming for about 1 to 2 inches deep so you get a clean line without stressing your lawn. Another common issue is skipping edging sessions, letting your grass grow wild and uneven. Set a reminder to edge regularly so your yard keeps that fresh, manicured vibe. Lastly, using the wrong tools or no edging tools at all leads to jagged, messy edges. Invest in proper edging gear designed for your lawn type and keep blades sharp for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. Contractors can also use it to connect with people needing their skills, making it easier to find steady work and build a solid reputation.